Hi guys, welcome back, and today we will learn New Concept English, Book 1, Lesson 103 and 105. Okay? Assalamu alaikum sahabatlar. Yana bu shu yangi o'quv ingliz tili darsigimizga kelganlarni qarshi olamiz. Ana bugun yangi o'quv ingliz tiliniki 103-darsdan 105-darsga o'rganmoqchi. Oldi bilan undaqda biz o'tgan soat o'rgangan darslarni qisqagina bir takrorlagandan keyin ondan keyin biz yangi darsimizni boshlab ketsak. All right. Undaqda qaranglar, bugungi dars o'tgangi darsimizda o'rgangan yangi so'zlarni bir tutashtirib beringlar. Masalan, birinchisi CA ekan, nima? Card, good job. Nima? Youth. Keyingisi right. Majo hostel. Okay, Scotland. Association. Soon. Okay, road. Yaxshi, road deganimiz nima? Shu right-ningki o'tgan zaman shakli. All right guys, today we will learn lesson 103, the French test. Qaranglar, endi bu yerga French test bugun o'rganmoqda. O'g'on darsimiz French test. Look at this test. Look at these pictures. Qaranglar, bu savol, bu rasmlarni nima ekan? Wow, vahshiy imtihon berayotgan kayfiyatgan-ku. Endi bugungi darsimizda shu imtihon to'g'riliq bular fransuz tili imtihon to'g'riliq bir dialog bor. Shuni o'rganib chiqmoqchi. Endi qaranglar savollar. Do you know this? What is this? Okay, what is this picture? Look. Endi qarasanglar, bu birinchi rasm nima ekan bola? This is French flag. Yaxshi, Fransiyaning nimasi bayrog'i. Okay, endi ikkinchi rasm qaranglar bola. Bu rasm shu Fransiyaning intayin simvol xarakterli rasmi bu. Endi buningda nima ekan? Yaxshi, Eiffel Tower. Good job. What about this? Okay, this is triumphal arch. Okay, nima triumphal deganimiz nima? Zafar. Okay, shu g'albaning zafarining degan gap. Shunami? Arch. Shuniki arch degan bilayotganda agma degan gap. Endi men yadimda tarjima qilib desanglar, darvoza demak shu agma shaklli darvoza. Shunami? Triumphal arch. Odatda zafar darvozasi deymiz. All right, so look. So what is your favorite subject at your school? Endi savollar beringlar. Shu sizlarniki, shu maktabdagi eng yaxshi ko'radigan fan turini qaysi? Uyghur, Chinese, English or mathematics? And why? Qaranglar, endi men mathematics degan nima desanglar, mathematics deganimiz matematika, buni qisqartib maths deymiz, Uni Uyg'urcha, Uyg'ur tili, Chinese, Hanzu tili, English tili, mathematics. And why? Nimishqa? Okay. And savollar, men savollarni sizlarga savol pet qoldiray. Bo'lsa sizlar mushuni bizningki abditalimiz orqali qoldirimiz e'lon qilingan va yoki bizningki shu Beyshingningki Gongjongping tabacho salon orqali qanday qayto'sanglar shu qayto'gan savollarga mukofot o'rlashtiramiz. Hammanglarga qanday mukofot bor. All right. And the birinchi savol mana bo'ldi. Ikkinchi savol. How do you like exams at school? Okay, and the yerga how do you like exam at school? Demakchi maktabdagi imtihonlarni yoqtiramsizlar? Qanday yoqtirasizlar, yoqtirsanglar? Okay, shu sababi ne bo'lsa, bir oddiy shu elektronlik pochta yo'llanmasi yoki salon orqali va yoki bo'lmasa bizningki shu abdital orqali javob qaytarsangiz bo'ladi. Okay, uchinchi savol. Okay, if you want to pass in English, what should you do? Okay, and if you want to agar manda qilishni xohlasangiz, nima qilishni? Ingliz tilida o'tishni xohlasangiz, what should you do? Siz nima ish qilishingiz kerak? Okay, endi bu yerga pass deganimiz o'tmak degan gap, imtihonda o'tmak. Andaqda o'tolmaslik qilib qilish bo'lsa nima bo'ldi desanglar, fail degan gapcha, fail. Okay, so if you want to pass, what should you do? O'tmoqchi bo'lsangiz nima ish qilishingiz kerak? Okay. Yeah, also mening javobini qanday desanglar, yozsanglar bo'ladi. Okay, pass deganimiz o'tmak, fail deganimizcha layoqsiz o'qish, o'tolmaslik degan gap. Okay, question number 4. You study hard, but the exam is too difficult. How do you feel after the exam? Okay, demak, siz imtihon terish bugunsiz, biroq imtihon bo'lsa, imtihon qiyin, too difficult. Okay, endi bu yerga difficult deganimiz imtihon qiyin degan gap, to deganimiz imtihon. Andaqda how do you feel qandarak his qilsiz after the exam? İmtihandan keyin. Okay. And sağlaşma difficult deganimiz qiyin, easy. All right. And the easy deganimiz nima? Oson. Easy. Or what about difficult? Okay. Difficult. Ama talaffuz qilganda diqqat qilamiz. Buni neymiz? Difficult. Yaxshi. Difficult. Yani birisi easy. Okay. E deganda og'zimda qashanglikda ko'tarilgan. Easy. Good. Difficult degan nima? Qiyin. Yaxshi. So, qanday qilsizlar? Qanday his qilsizlar? Mushuning javobini qanday rasanglar? Mushuni yo'llasanglar bo'ldi. All right. Okay, question number 5. You know, if you don't study hard, you can't answer any question on the paper. If so, what will you do during the exam time? All right. Hamda ma'o vakshi savol. Qaranglar. Agar siz qana tirishib o'rganmasangiz, if you don't study hard, you can't answer any question on the paper. Hamda o'sha imtihon qog'oziga hech qanday savolga javob berolmaysiz. Agar shunda qolib qolsa, imtihon vaqtida nima ish qilsangiz? Okay, endi nima sharga paper deganimizda qog'oz degan gap, bu imtihon qog'ozini ko'rsatadi. Okay, answer any question. Question degan nima? Savol degan gap bo'ldi. Okay, number 6. If you didn't pass the test, what would your friends say to you? Agar hamda o'sha imtihondan o'tamisangiz, sizning do'stingiz sizga nima deydi? Nima deyishi mumkin? Balkim yurasizlar nima? Cheer up. Cheer up. Oy bir ruhliq bo'l, oy tetik bo'l, oy man maydonni ko'tara deymizmi? Cheer up. Okay, cheer up. Andaqda yana nima deyish mumkin? Okay, undaqda o'shning javobini bizga ayting, biz sizga qanday desanglar mukofot aytamiz. Okay. Okay, andaqda bugungi darsimizga yangi so'zlarni o'rganib ketaylik, sadoqlar. Okay. Andaqda qaranglar, meyari bir tal rasm bor ekan nima? Methods. Ma 4 ga 7 qo'shsin aytchi, birga birini qo'shsa, ma qanday ekan sadoqlar, osonmi qiyin sizlarga? Ishini menga yesini bolalar bo'lmasanglar, o qiyin emas, nima? All right. Yeah, it's easy enough for me to answer. Okay, endi meyari enough. Good. Enough deganimiz nima? Yetarlik degan gap, yetarlik. Masalan, it's easy enough. U bo'lsa yetarlik oson for me, men uchun to answer. Okay, endi meyari to deganimiz nima? G'oqaga aka. Odatda ismlarni oldiga kelsa, bo'ladi, masalan, o'rin joylarni oldiga kelsa, yo'lnishni ifodalaydi, tushunami? Masalan, uyga, maktabga degandek. Andaqda fe'llarni oldiga kelsa o'xshamaydi. Odatda fe'llarni oldiga kelsa, maqsadni ifodalaydi. Nima ish qilishga, javob berishga, men uchun u qanday yetarlik, oson. Oson. It's easy enough for me to answer. Okay, answer keyin degan qaranglar. The car is, qarasanglar, the car is megacho for me to buy. Men uchun yetarlik qanday arzon. Xo'sh, arzon degan nima deymiz? Arzon, cheap, shunami? Anda bu enough'dan keyin yana bir diqqat qiladigan nuqtamiz, enough'ni ishlatganda sizlar cho'qim sifatlarning keyinda sifat degan nima? Shunami? Shunning cho'qim qanday keyinda bo'lishi kerak? Masalan, cheap enough, easy enough, good enough, shunami? Degandek, shu sifatning keyinda kelishi kerak. Shunga ma'lum, the car is cheap enough for me to buy. Bu mashina men uchun setib olishga qanday yetarli holda, qanday arzon degan gap. Look that picture. All right. Do you like the exams? No, I don't like exams. No, I don't like exams. And the matter don't like the order hate. Okay, and the matter I hate exam. All right, and the hate deganimiz nima masalan? Uch degan gap demakchi. I don't like yoki nima? Dislike demakchi. Uch xo'sham yo'q degan gap. Tushunami? All right. All right, and the next one. Look at that paper. Look at that paper. It's a French, right? The guy wrote his name at the top of the paper. Okay, xo'sh. Anima guy degan nima desanglar, odatda shu o'g'il bolalarni chaqirganda bala deb chaqiramiz, o'g'il bola shu guy shunami? And er kishi bo'lsa the man, all right, and the guy. And the guy degan bolalar degan gap. Odatda shu eg'iz til chaqirganda unformal, birasmiy holda ishlatganda bu o'g'il qizlarning hammasini guys deb ishlataymiz. Hi guys, how are you? deganda tushunami? Deganda guy. And the guy wrote his name, ismini yozdi at the top of the paper. Xo'sh, hamda top degan nima desanglar, shu rasmdagidek, shu qog'ozning usti tarafi tushunami? And the bottom deganchi, bottom degan osti tarafi. Top usti, bottom qanday desanglar osti. And then misharki at the top of degan nima, shuning cho'qqisiga, shuning ustiga demakchi, ma u intam qog'ozing bo'lgan bo'lsa, ma ustida bo'ldi, bottom degan nima tegadi. At the top of shu usti tarafi degan gap bo'ldi. Okay, at the top of the paper. And then we have top degan shu ang yuqori shu top 1, top 2, top 3, masalan top 10 shunami? Demakchi shu ang 10-si shunaqa masalan sinfda nechinchi I'm top 1, top 2, top 10 shunaqa. Demakchi 10 kuchlik, 10 yuqorisi demakchi ang yaxshilarning 10 degan gap shu. Okay. So, look, this is methods, okay? You know, I could answer 2 of the questions, but I couldn't answer the rest. Qaranglar, qarasanglar, ikkisiga javob bera oladi, tushunami? Masalan, birga birini qo'shsa 4, 2, 2 ni qo'shsa 4, lekin oxirchi I couldn't. Okay. Bu yerga rest degan nima desanglar, qilib qolganlari, eshib qolgan degan gap, eshib qolgan degan gap. Okay. Masalan, restning ikkinchi ma'nosi nima desanglar, damamoq, aramamoq degan gap, Masalan, rest of the eggs have gone bad. Okay, rest of the eggs demakchi, tuxumninki qilib qolganlari, eshib qolganlari qana bo'ldi, have gone bad. Sesib ketdi. Yoki sufti buzilib qoldi, shunami? Okay, look at these guys. These guys got what? You know, full mark. Mark degan numar, full degan to'liq numar oldi. Demakchi 100 lam elib o'tgan gap, shunami? Andaqda ma'yoqchi, masalan 7, 6.5, 4.5, 4 deb turamda. And my 7 nima desanglar, very high mark. Okay, what about 4 and 4.5? Low mark. High mark is low degan past, shuna high mark yuqori numar, low mark deganimiz 2 numar degan gap bo'ldi. Low mark. Okay guys, so which word is missing? Just let's play a game. So which words is missing? Okay. Which word is missing? Low. Which word is missing? Mark. Which word is missing? Rest. Which word is missing? Enough. Which word is missing? Pass. Which word is missing? Top. Which word? Difficult. Which word? Mathematic guy. Which word? Hate. Okay, hate. Okay, cheer. Right? Okay, fail. Good job. Perfect. All right, let's look at the text. Okay, look. You know, read and pick true or false. And that's how avval mushu tekstni o'qinglar, yoki men hozir sizlarga mushning anglash qismini qo'yib beray. Undan keyin men tek shu belgi qo'yash, to'g'ri degan belgini qo'yinglar. Agar endi mushu o'qib bergan jumla to'g'ri bo'lsa, true degan natiga mana bel qo'yib qo'yishlar. Agar xato bo'lib qolsa, ma false degan natiga mana bel qo'yishlar. Okay, answer. Mushning anglash qismini bir anglab baqsaq.
Lesson 105. Full of mistakes. Listen to the tape, then answer this question. What was Sandra's present? Where's Sandra, Bob? I want her.
Do you want to speak to her?
Yes, I do. I want her to come to my office. Tell her to come at once.
Did you want to see me?
Ah, yes, Sandra. How do you spell intelligent? Can you tell me?
INTELLIGENT.
That's right. You've typed it with only one L. This letter's full of mistakes. I want you to type it again.
Yes, I'll do that. I'm sorry about that.
And here's a little present for you.
What is it?
It's a dictionary. I hope it'll help you.
Okay, look. Әмсә, қараңа. Bununki, birinchisi, the English and Maths paper weren't easy enough, Gary. Easy enough for Gary. Gary için şu English bilan Maths asan emasken. Shunami? To'g'rimi, xatomi? Yeah, it's true, right? Oh, sorry, true. Okay, next one. Richard thinks he failed the English paper. Okay, Richard, mushu ingliz tilidan o'tamidim deb qaraydi ekan. To'g'rimi? Yes, true or false? Tanlanglar. Okay. Fails. Shunami? Okay. I think I can pass deydi, shunami? Okay, and then number 3. French tests are awful. Is it true? Yeah, it's true, right? The guy next to the Gary didn't write a word. Yes, exactly. Except his name, right? Good job. I'm sağlasam şu bizden tekstimizdeki şu language focus qarab baqaylı. Focus degan nokta, muhim nokta. Bizden şu eng tay muhim bo'lgan til noktalarımızga bir qarab baqaylı, öğreniş noktasımızga. Okay, and the birinchi qaranglar. The English and math paper weren't easy enough for me. Xo'sh. And the yerga mana ikkinchi bo'shlig'ini to'ldirib baqinglar. It is warm enough. We can wear our dresses. Okay, we can wear our dresses. Okay, nima? Havo hozir qanday desanglar, yetarlik iliq. Shunga biz shu uzun ko'ylaklarimizni qanday kiysak bo'ladi demakchi. Bak qalin tashbaq chaponlarni kiymasakmi? Shu dressni kiysak bo'ladi demakchi. Okay, Osman to'ldirib baqinglar. I couldn't catch the early bus because I didn't run. Okay, qanday enough? Okay, fast enough. Demakchi, men yetarlik tiz yugurmagachga avtobus qanday qilib qoldim? Kechikib qoldim. Demak, endi mushariki sifatlarninki yoki ravishlarning keyinligini muqaddimamiz bolalar enough. Enough deganni qilsak, qanday bo'ldi desanglar, shu to'g'ri ishlatgan bo'lamiz. Okay. Aniq savodasa enough'ning yana bir ishlatilishi qaranglar. Bu enough'ni yana nega ishlatishga bo'ldi desanglar, yana birga shu ismlarning oldiga ishlatishga bo'ldi. Masalan, I have enough time to finish my homework. Demakchi, to finish my homework, men topshiriqimni ishlashga mening yetarlik bor, vaqtim bor. Masalan, she has enough money to buy a new computer. O yangi kompyuter sotib olishga yetarlik qilimiz va puli bor. Demak, enough yani nimalarni olib kelishlik bo'ldi ekan desanlar, ismlarni olib kelishlik bo'ldi. Shunga sifat ravishning keyindan enough keldi, yoki bo'lmasa ismni oldidan. Cho'qim ma'noga diqqat qilib olinglar. Okay. Keyingisi right or wrong. Agar to'g'ri bo'lsa to'g'ri, xato bo'lsa xato deb bir hukm qilib beringlar. Birinchisi, you are driving enough fast. Okay. To'g'rimi? Xato. Okay. You are driving enough fast. You are driving fast enough, right? Fast enough. You must do your homework carefully enough. Okay, carefully enough. And that the exam is not enough difficult for me. Okay, okay, there are enough books for students. We have enough time to wear the flowers. Yes, it is. Paper. And then we have a piece of paper, piece of paper. And 3 pieces of paper, which parts kagaz. And then we have a kagaz qanday qilmaydi desanglar, shu sanag'ini olmaydi, ba'zi ahvollarda faqat biz shu yezip, masalan, yana nima deymiz, intam qog'ozi bo'lganda qanday desanglar, sanaydigan gap. Mesela I bought a paper and read it at home. Mesela paper diye bir parçanın boldu. Gazette. And we are here are your papers. Please write your name down. Okay, endi bu yerga bu bo'lsin imtihon qog'ozingiz, shuni qana qiling, ismingizni yozing. Demakchi bu yerga birinchi paper keladi, ikkinchisi nima? Writing paper. No, writing, sorry. Bu yerga papers degan imtihon qog'ozi. Demak, imtihon qog'ozi yana birga yana bo'lganda, shu gazet bo'lganda sanaymiz, bo'lmasa sanamaymiz arkadaşlar. Masalan, writing paperni qana sanalib bo'lmaydi. Writing paper sanalib bo'lmaydi. Okay guys, so let's look at the text and so arkadaşlar. Endi bu tekstni bir obdan tushunib baqaydi. Agar men retell qilganda bo'lsa, sizlar nahmaylarni bo'lgan bo'lsanglar, sizlar o'shani bir deb baqsanglar, shunga men azroq qisqagina bir necha sekundda vaqt beray. Şunu bir üzanglar, şu ko'rayotgach maslashib menga bir desanglar, ondan keyin men ba'zi muhim yerlarni qanday qilib o'tay, so'zlab o'tay. Okay, qaranglar, endi ma jumla shaklini üzanglar deb anglar. Not, I think, okay. Amsa ma so'rada biraydan so'radi, how was the exam, Richard? Okay, endi Gary, Richard'dan, how was the exam? Why imtihanni qandarak ba'dingiz? And how was your exam bo'lsa, imtihanimiz qandarak? And how was your exam? Endi o'tgan zaman shunama, imtihan berib bo'lgan ekan, how was your exam, Richard? Why imtihanni qandarak ba'dingiz, Richard? Shunama desa? Okay, and Richard nim deb javob beradi. Not too bad. I think I passed in English and mathematics. The questions were very easy. How about you? Dedi. Ancha nachar emas. Meningcha, men ingliz bilan matematikadan qanday qildim? O'tdim. The questions were very easy. Nima? O savollar intayin qanday oson chiqibdi. How about you? Sizchu? Desa, demdayro, the English and math paper weren't easy enough for me. And the men uchun ingliz bilan matematika qanday emas ekan deyro, unchalar oson emas ekan, yetarli oson emas ekan. I hope I haven't failed. Okay, and then I hope. Men umid qilaman. Nimish qilmasligimni. I haven't failed. O'tanmay qolmasligimni qanday qilman? Umid qilaman. Bu demakchi, ama ishga inkor ekan emas, men ishga inkor bo'lsa, bu nima dersanglar, bu kunning bo'ldi, nima bo'ldi? O'tab ketishimni qanday qilman? Umid qilmaydigimga bo'ldi. All right. And then bu yana I think I failed the French paper. I couldn't answer the 16 of the questions. They were very easy, but I couldn't answer the rest. They were too difficult for me. Menimcha I failed the French paper. Men bu fransuz tili imtihonini qanday qilmadim, o'tamadim. Okay? Yoki layoqqa solib qoldim. I could answer the 16 of the questions. Men savollarning 16siga javob berdim, lekin I couldn't answer the rest. They were too difficult for me. Ular intayin qanday ekan task edi. Deydi. All right. French tests are awful, aren't they? Okay, mush fransuz tili imtihonlari intayin zade awful, intayin nachar ekan zade. Vahshi bo'lmaydi ekan, qamlashmagan chiqibdi. Shuna emasmi? Okay, Amerika test jumla bo'ldi, shunami? Okay. I hate them. I'm sure I've got low mark. Men ishonamanki, qana men o'shandan qana low mark 2 numar oldim, deydi. Oh, cheer up. Voy, ruhliq bo'l, voy bitta tikrak bo'lar. Perhaps we didn't do too badly. Biz uncha olami nachar bermagandik. You know, the guy next to me, okay, wrote his name at the top of the paper. Meni yenimda o'tirgan bola o'sha o'zining ismini shu imtihon qog'ozining ustiga ham yozib qo'ydi. Okay. Then he sat there and we had o'tirib and looked at it for 3 hours. Shu qog'ozga qarab soat o'tadi. Okay. He didn't write a word. Bir tal so'zni mo qanday qilmadi, yozib qo'ymadi. Demakchi, aniq nisbatan biz hali ta'lilik emas degan gap bo'ldi. Okay, endi ma tekstning asosiy mazmuni ekan. Okay, savollar, endi shu tekstimizni ko'rib o'tdik. Endi ma keyingi darsimiz 104-darsimizda shu tekstimizga intayin bo'yin bo'lgan nuqta. Demakchi, to, very, enough niki ishlatishni o'rganmoqchi. Okay. Lesson 104 to very enough. Endi qaranglar, ma birinchisi yangi so'zlarni ko'rib o'taylik. Okay, bu yangi so'zlarga shunday qaraydigan bo'lsak, birinchisi nima? Clever. Okay, what does the clever means? Like learning and understanding things quickly and easily. English definitions. Demekçi, bir narsani tayin oson tushunaladigan ham o'rganaladigan bo'lsa, chaqqan tiz mushunday deymiz clever demekçi, aqlliq deymiz. Shunami? Clever. Okay, endi buni aks ma'nosimi, qarama-qarshi ma'nosi stupid. Stupid. Okay, stupid. Stupid degani nima? Dud. Kalla işlemeyidigan degan gap. Ama foolish degancha, foolish nima deymiz? Kalla işlemeyidigan. Aqlliq nima deymiz? Clever. Okay, clever. Good. Stupid. Stupid. Yoki nima? Foolish. Okay, clever. Stupid. Yoki nima? Foolish. Okay. Endi qaranglar, ma qarindosh qaraydigan bo'lsak, nima? It's very cheap. Bir mo'chan sizda olasiz. What about that diamond? Okay, it's costing little money. U kichikgina azroq pul sarf qilish nima? What about diamond? Okay, endi mana almost so'rashlar, almostni bir mo'chan sizda olmaymiz axsham, shunami? It's very expensive, right? It costs a lot of money. O nima? Nurg'un pul sarf qilinsa deyilish. Shunami? Shunga nima? U qimmat. Expensive. Okay, expensive. Okay, azon deganda-chi cheap. Yaxshi, cheap. Good. Amsa kingsa. King so'zi ekan, it's fresh. Ama mevjudga qarsangiz tayin yangi ekan shunami? It's fresh. What about that? Stale. Qarsanglar bir xil rang o'zgarib ketgan, buzib qolgan shunami? Not new or not fresh. Okay, endi mayarga paks. Yangi degancha clean or cool. Okay, now I paste it. Okay, fresh, yana birisi stale. Okay, endi qaranglar malazlarga. They are qanaqa bir nechisi? They are stale. What about this? Ana shirki birsi qanaqa desanglar? This is fresh. Ma talaffuz qilganda ma o'zingiz tushunasizlar. Fresh. Stale. Good. What about this? What about that diamond? A diamond qarsangiz saqlashganda, it's very hard. Intayin qattiq shunaqa. What about that baby's hand? It's not hard, right? It's very soft. Soft. Yumshaq. The diamond is hard. Shunami? Olmos bo'lsa, qanday? Yumshaqmi, qattiqmi? Albatta qattiq. Qattiq deganda nima deymiz? Hard. Olmos deganda chiqarishlar? Diamond. Diamond. Okay, like the baby's hand is softmi, hardmi? Okay, good. It's soft. Yaxshi, hamsa qaranglar. Aniki lemoncho, it's sour, right? It's having unpleasant taste or smell like lemon. Mushu lemonga o'xshash qanday chuchmal bo'lsin deymiz. Sour deymiz. Sog'lashdan. Sour, chuchmal. Okay. Undaqda lemon tastes nima? Sour. Shunami? What about the candy? Masalan, kampitchi sog'lashlar. Ko'pincha kampit nima? Sweet. Good. Sweet. You know, with a lot of sugar in it. Mushu ichida nurg'un shikar bo'lsa, odatda bu nima? Sweet. Sweet degan tatliq, sour degancha chuchmal. Okay. Like candies are sweet. Masalan, kampitlar bo'lsa qanday? Tatliq. Candies. Lemon-cho? It's sour. Okay, guys. What is this? Clever. What is this? Cheap. What is this? Expensive. What is this? Okay. What is this? Stale. What is this? Sweet. What about this? Okay. Fresh. Clean. Cheap. Stale. Sweet. Hard. Clever. Expensive. Stupid. High. Sour. Soft. Fresh. Good job. Alright, let's look at a sentence structure. Alright, Ams qarabaqdan bo'lsak, ams qaralma birinchi rasmda nima debdi? I could answer the question. It was very easy. Right? It was very easy. Andaqda misharki very deganimiz demayapsanmi? Odatda mushu nihoyatda deb ifodalanuvchi. Demakchi, sizlar mushu sifatlarning darajasini bildirib keladi-ku. Muşu sizlar o'ylagandan naiti yaxshi tarafga mangsa, o'ylagandan texmi yaxshi bo'lsa, muşu very ishlatamiz. Masalan, very easy, very good, okay, very nice degandekchi. Okay, hamma qaranglar. I couldn't answer the question. It was too difficult. Endi bu yerga too degan mana haydi deb tarjima qilamiz, lekin Uyg'urchada. Endi lekin buning nimasi bizning o'ylig'inimizdan qanday desanglar, naq ta'tirga. Demakchi bizni beoram qilsa, bizni naroz qilsa, bizning ochig'imizni keltirsa, ba'zi ahvollarcha, mana shunga too deb ishlatamiz. Too deb ishlatamiz. Demakchi, naq bizningki o'ylig'inimizning aksichi bo'ladi, ama too. Masalan, too difficult. O jo'jab sat qiyinken ma'vo. Endi men degan nargiz bu ajab qiyinken deb xo'sh bo'lib ketmaymiz-ku. Demakchi, ma'lum bir narsa sizniki mushu naroz qilsa, mushu too ni ishlatamiz, too. Masalan, too cold. Jo'jab sovuqken shunama. Too hot. O jo nimda issiqma'vo. Mushu yazda hammalar too hot deb ketishunami? Degandek, mushu ahvollarga too ni ishlatamiz. Okay? Endi yana bir diqqat qiladigan nuqtamiz savolashlar. Mushariki I could answer the question. It was very easy. Okay, endi mushariki easy enough. Okay, endi mushariki enough degan nima arsanlar yetarli. Naq bizning shu o'ylig'inimizdeklam. Ya o'ylig'inimizning aksicha emas, ya bek qanday emas. Demak shu normal chiqqan bo'lsa enough. Masalan, the question was easy enough for me to answer. Nima qilishga, javob berishga yetarli qanday bo'ldi? Oson bo'ldi. Okay. Endi bu yerga for somebody deganimiz hamda nima desanlar? Okay. Ma'lum bir odam uchun aytganlar degan gap, Masalan, it's easy enough for me. Okay, men uchun. O men uchun oson yoki men uchun qiyin degandek-ku. Shunga ama for me degan ma'lum bir kishi uchun. Masalan, I couldn't answer the question. It was too difficult. And the question was too difficult for me to answer. And abayim dedik savolashlar too deganimiz nima? G'aqaga pillaning oldiga kescho maqsad ifodalaydi. Demakchi javob berishga men uchun qanday tas. Nima? Too difficult. All right. Demakchi too. Demakchi ma'lum bir ish qilishga qanday naiti degan gap. Okay. For somebody. Okay. O'xshashlam shu ma'lum bir uchun ayt. Ansa bir mashq qilib savolashlar. Ansa qaranglar, too very enough degan mashina ishlatsa. Masalan, he's clever to answer all the question. And clever sifatning kaynida kelsa nima keldi? Enough. Muqarrara enough. Okay, masalan, for sale deb qo'yibdi, va uy sotiladi deb tushunama. He will buy the house. It is enough cheap demdoq. Yo'q. Odatda bu nima? Very cheap. Sotib olasiz qanday desanlar? Very. Okay, answer qaranglar. The carrot is, and so ishni qarasanglar, carrot is for him to eat. Qanday? Is enough demdoq? Yo'q, sifatninki qanday desanlar oldir ekan, shunga nima? Very demdoq ya too demdoq. Buni ishlaganda nima desanlar for him to yeb bulanmab tushunama? Shunga too hard for him to. Demak, agar yaligan bo'lsa very hard, nima? Asallam yutdi. Hamda shu yemagan ekan nima? Aksi ma'no bo'lgan ekan nima? Too. Okay. And the eat me deb bir ism bo'lgan, o men qarasanglar the candies are okay for me to eat. Qanday? It's too sweet for me to eat. Demakchi, buni mening yeyishimga intayin tatliq demakchi, ana tatliqlikka addidan qanday ishib ketgan. Okay, endi keyin qaranglar. Ma'vo birsi muzikani eshitdimi? The sound is loud. Okay, for him to hear. And the yerga loud keyni kelgandan cho'qim enough keldi. Good. What about this? The stereo is okay for him to hear. Too low for him to hear. What about this? Orange is, and in them as well, too intelligent, very much. Okay, it's too sour for him to eat. Jig'lab ketibdi. Wow, shunga nima too deb tanlaydigan gap. Savolashlar undan keyin keyingi mashqni qanday qilamiz desanglar, agar bu mashqniki texnik tafsiliy mazmuni qiziqsanglar, bizniki g'oya abdi ta'limimizni tushirib, shu orqali anglasanlar, bu texmo ko'p mazmunlarni shuni ta'minlab bersak.